Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about the Bronco Bestop soft top, installing it, and a few things you should know. Welcome to the Never Ending Weekend. So like past installs, I'll go quickly through the process and I'll stop to let you know if there's anything you should be aware of or should look out for. Let's get right into it. I'm not going to lie, this manual is pretty intimidating at 45 pages long. And this estimated time of 1.5 hours for the installation. The Bestop soft top was packaged really well. I got the Twill finish, which is the nicer matte fabric, not the shiny vinyl. I'll just lay out all the pieces now. I just wanted to emphasize how well everything was packaged again. It really exudes the care that they put into their product, and maybe a lesson for other manufacturers, because it extends beyond just logistics or packaging, but into marketing and brand. Right from the get-go, you get this idea that this company cares about what they do, how they deliver it, and I think that'll increase brand loyalty. And even before you start the project, you already are put into the mindset that this is a quality product and a good company to work with. I laid out the vinyl bits to get nice and soft and pliable, and I guess my dog just thinks it's a nice warm place to lay down. Okay, clean down the sides of the Bronco with alcohol, and I'm just lining this up. And they want you to remove the backing from one side and the other, and there's just a lot of chance for it to shift. So I'm just gonna, with some green tape, tape down one side, so even if I lift it or whatever, it has less chance of moving and more chance of success in terms of getting it in the right spot. Let's see how this goes. Wish me luck. Just wanted to show you something that I discovered. I guess this is from the fold down glass, the rear glass. Seems like it was rubbing on there and just shaving down on the paint. So maybe something with the people who have hard tops, take a look at and see if that's what's happening on yours as well. So section 7 has you stuffing a square piece of foam inside the tailgate bar retainer bracket, and it's kind of hard to orient the piece. So if you're looking at this one piece here, if you lift it up with this long part on the bottom, you lift it up, this is the place where you're supposed to put the foam, like so. Okay, first problem. The rear rail is misaligned. I have this screw in and this screw in, and this one is not working, and I can't move it because it's riveted into the rail. So I might just leave this off and contact Bestop and see what they say. So I was able to leverage with a screwdriver the bolt holes to align, and I clamped them down. They seem to be fitting okay. So just letting you know that I forced it to fit. Not only did the sun set, so it's not warming up the vinyl anymore, but the moon's already out. Oh boy. Soft top is placed, getting close. This is the only time you'll need 2 people to get that on there besides removing the hard top. Okay, I was wrong. You actually need 3 people. 1 person to hold the flashlight, but only because it's dark. I finally got the screw in, and now I just tighten it down. Okay, I might be packing it up soon because it's getting pretty dark. Just wanted to show you this one last thing. It's those rear brackets again. The tension is so much that it's hard to just even line this up. So I've been kind of leveraging a pry tool with some foam so I don't scratch anything to get that up there. I got the other one in. You're gonna need some help putting this in, unless I'm doing something wrong. Probably would have been easier during the day when there was sunlight and the fabric was all soft and supple, but anyways, That's it for today, I think. So I just realized something, and then I decided, hey, I wonder if the video shows the same thing or if it leaves it out. And sure enough, the video shows it. So lesson 1, always watch the video first. But if I flip up the top, all of a sudden no tension in the back, and that would have made screwing in that rear bracket a lot easier. But anyways, if you don't watch Bestop's video, at least you watch this one so you know. Another little interesting thing, there's supposed to be a cable with an eyelet. It's a retention cable, and I can feel it. It's right here, and I need to fish it out, fishing again, and I can't reach it. Okay, I'm only showing you this because I'm amazed that it worked. It's a knitting needle, and I was able to like hook it and pull it out. If there's an actual easier way to do this, I'm going to kill myself. The fact that they include a little bit of Loctite is kind of cool. Look, it's a baby Loctite. Okay, another small issue. This binding barrel is supposed to fit in that hole, which it does on one side. It fits nicely, sticks at the other end. But on the other one, the hole is drilled too close to the edge and it will not fit. So I'll try hammering it through and seeing what happens. Used some pliers and a hammer, and voila, fixed. Okay, ray of hope, down to the last few pieces of hardware. Okay, there was another alignment issue. This bracket up top over the rear window, it just wasn't aligning right, but I was trying to force the screw, and then this happened. Sheared the head right off. So I think I'm packing it in for now. Okay, day 2 of the soft top install. I didn't realize how close I was to finishing. I just had to do basically the windows and stuff. I still can't believe I broke that one screw head, and I think I might have cross-threaded that one. But I'll put in the comments. I'm going to call, it's Sunday today, that's why the nice threads went to church. But I'm gonna call Bestop on Monday and see what they say, and I'll put in the comments what the result was. In the heat, these started bubbling up and coming up a little bit, so you might want to go back and press them all down. What I found interesting is this sticker, this rear one, is glossy on one side and matte on the other, and I don't know what that's all about. Probably nothing. Finally finished. I was pretty close last night. I didn't realize all I had to do is put in the windows and lock down the top. It turned out pretty good. All in all, the installation was pretty straightforward. I'm not sure why it took so long. It's just finding the brackets and putting them in place. Removal of the top is pretty easy and pretty quick, and it pulls down not all the way like the factory soft top. You got the, it's pretty tight. You got double closures with Velcro, and the sliders fits really well. The rear window on the factory soft top is ridiculous to me that it's so wavy, and that's how they shipped it, but this is nice and smooth. I thought the fastback would look kind of funny on the two-door, but it looks pretty good, I think. Yeah, I'm happy the way it turned out. And I'm looking forward to using it. The only real problem I had was some of the alignment issues, both on this side, on the driver's side, one on the bottom, which I was able to force a screw in, and it worked out pretty good, and 2 on the top. One I probably cross-threaded, and one I literally snapped. Again, I'll be contacting Bestop to see what they say, and then I'll post what the outcome is and see if their customer service is as good as their packaging. But yeah, happy with the results and looking forward to some top-down adventures. So follow for more Bronco Build stuff, and we're gonna add some two-wheeled fun as well. Until then, have a great weekend, everyone.